China just unveiled a centaur robot built to walk into nuclear facilities and steel mills, and it can carry over 260 pounds. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Saturday, July 25th, 2026. In robotics news today, China's Run Robotics just unveiled a centaur robot at Maysak 2026. And it's unlike anything you've seen. The explosion-proof machine combines a four-wheeled all-terrain chassis with a humanoid upper body carrying up to 265 pounds. It's designed specifically for extreme environments like nuclear facilities and steel mills where humans simply shouldn't go. In drone news, a heavy-lift quadcopter just pulled off a dramatic flood rescue in China's Guangxi region after Typhoon Maysak struck. A man stranded by severe flooding was airlifted to safety in under a minute by volunteer rescuers operating the drone remotely. With over 130,000 people evacuated, this is a powerful real-world proof point for large drone technology and disaster response. Also in robotics funding news, Travis Kalanick, the co-founder of Uber, is back, and he just raised $1.7 billion for his new venture, Atoms. The round was led by Andreessen Horowitz and built on his acquisition of self-driving trucking startup Pronto. Kalanick's vision is bold, an operating system for the physical world, a wheelbase that any robot can run on. In medical robotics news, Johnson & Johnson just received FDA de novo authorization for its Ottava robotic surgical system. Cleared for procedures including Roux-en-Y gastric bypass and gastrectomy, Ottava is designed to fit into operating rooms that couldn't accommodate existing systems. This is a direct shot at Intuitive Surgical's Da Vinci monopoly, and the robotic surgery market is worth billions. In military robotics news, a startup called Foundation Future Industries is testing the Phantom Mk1, a humanoid robot explicitly designed with lethal capabilities, on the battlefield in Ukraine. 2 units have already been deployed for evaluation, making this one of the first real-world combat trials of a humanoid war machine. Russia is reportedly developing similar technology, raising serious ethical alarms worldwide. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about explosion-proof centaur robot industrial use in the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.